countries to visit for 500. Join me as I challenge myself to find and explore the most amazing cheap paradise destinations around the world. In this video, you will explore some of the most beautiful and budget-friendly travel spots around the world that won't break the bank. Many travelers think that paradise comes with a hefty price tag, but that misconception often keeps them from discovering amazing experiences. Traveling on a budget doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality or beauty. There are plenty of stunning destinations around the world that offer affordable accommodations, delicious food, and breathtaking scenery. These hidden gems are waiting to be discovered by adventurous travelers who are willing to look beyond the usual tourist spots. Some of these destinations may require a bit more planning and research, but the payoff is well worth the effort. From tropical islands to mountain retreats, there's a cheap paradise destination out there for every kind of traveler. Bali, Indonesia, is one such destination, offering beautiful beaches, temples, and vibrant culture at an affordable price. Costa Rica is another great option, with its lush rainforests, exotic wildlife, and stunning coastlines. Portugal's Algarve region is also a great choice, with its golden beaches, rock formations, and rich history. Each of these destinations has its own unique charm and attractions, making them perfect for travelers who want to experience paradise without breaking the bank. Destinations like these offer a range of activities and experiences that can be enjoyed on a budget. From hiking and snorkeling to visiting local markets and trying street food, there's no shortage of things to do and see. The key is to be open-minded and flexible, and to be willing to try new things and venture off the beaten path. By doing so, travelers can have a truly immersive and unforgettable experience, without sacrificing their budget. The local culture and customs are also a big part of what makes these destinations so special, and by embracing them, travelers can have a more authentic and meaningful experience. Thailand's islands, such as Koh Samui and Krabi, are at the top of the list, with their crystal-clear waters, white sand beaches, and lively night markets. Mexico's Tulum is another top destination, with its ancient Mayan ruins, stunning beaches, and vibrant expat community. Cambodia's Siem Reap is also a great choice, with its ancient temples, bustling markets, and delicious street food. From snorkeling and diving to visiting ancient ruins and trying local cuisine, there's no shortage of things to do and see. The locals are also a big part of what makes these destinations so special, and by interacting with them, travelers can gain a deeper understanding of the culture and customs. By choosing one of these destinations, travelers can have a truly unforgettable experience, without breaking the bank. The cost of accommodations, food, and activities is relatively low,